Welcome to a new video on opportunities this week from Brevisi Templetree. After Sensex crossed 60,000, there was expectation that we will have a small correction, and that's what market did this week. After 5 weeks of upside, index took some breather, went into a sleeping mode. In that downside, we had some stocks gaining strength and closing up. They not only closed up, they even had big volume support as they went up in price. Among them, we have 4 stocks in the automobile sector that has given a upside close this week. Is it the automobile is getting ready for a new journey? Maybe yes. After a long consolidation, there is a possibility that the sector can go up. Among the sector and the 4 stocks, we have one stock which is also given one more additional signal along with the breakout and volume support. We have Amara Raja Batteries giving a trend reversal signal, which is a very powerful signal and has higher winning probability. Before going more into the details of this trade opportunity in Amara Raja Batteries, let's get to know what are the news flows that we had for Amara Raja in the last couple of weeks. First one, the expectation that electric vehicle requirement will propel the growth for the company, or company will have an edge to the EV segment, failed because Amara Raja's business was in the lead acid batteries, which was not useful in the EV segment. Second, company planned to start a new lithium-ion battery facility, spending $1 billion in a joint venture. That failed. Even if it had taken off, there was no technical support, and for the share of the company, they had to spend $500 million, which the company did not have money. And third, all the OEMs today have planned to start their own battery facility so that they can have a unique design for themselves. So, replacement market is also gone. With all this negative news flow, Amara Raja Batteries went down in price from February 21. From a stock price of 870, it went to sub 700 levels. During August-September, it went into a tight consolidation along with the overall sector. Now, there is a beautiful breakout in Amara Raja Batteries, giving a buy signal. You can buy Amara Raja Batteries if the stock price goes above 775 this week. And this is a trend following buy signal. You should have a trailing stop loss and trail the position as it goes up, so that when there is a weakness, you can book your profits and maximize your gains from the stock. To get the trailing stop loss for Amara Raja Batteries and also other stocks that have qualified for buying opportunity this week, we have them published in our discussion group. You can join the discussion group by clicking on the link given in the description, where you will get a list of new opportunities published every week. We believe that power from batteries will help Amara Raja shine better or have a great journey, and we make big money from the stock. Thank you.